This is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in divers places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall be for heaven. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Wakar Kadash, Barakatham, to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a news article from ABC news.go.com by the Associated Press as of October 9th, 2025 at 10:10 p.m. And it reads, a 7.4 magnitude earthquake strikes off the shores from southern Philippines and may cause tsunami. It says an offshore of a earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of a 7.4 hit off a southern Philippine province Friday morning, and a tsunami was possible nearby. It said this is from Manila, Philippines. It says an offshore of earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of a 7.4 hit off a southern Philippine province Friday morning, and a hazardous tsunami was possible nearby. It says the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said it was expecting damage and aftershocks from the earthquake, which was centered at sea about 62 kilometers, 38 miles southeast of Manila town of Davao. The Oriental province was caused by a movement fault at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers and 6 miles. It says the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center and the Honolulu said hazardous waves were possible within 300 kilometers at 186 miles off the epicenter. It says up to 3 waves to Ministry seat 10 feet above normal tides were possible on some Philippine coasts near the epicenter. A smaller waves were possible in Indonesia and Palau. Says once again, Luke 21 and verse 20. Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places. Right, so we definitely gonna be seeing the uptick of earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what Yahweh Shai spoke about. That's gonna occur in these times, definitely, with the latest of uptick of earthquakes. So we definitely been seeing a lot of increasing earthquakes in the year 2025 at an alarming rate, and we seeing signs of that as the days progresses on. So the Bible did talk about, of high magnitude of great earthquakes in diverse places, and that's what we're seeing. And great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. It's the book of Psalms, chapter 18, and verse 7. It says, then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also, the hills were moved, were shaken because it was rough. Right, so that's the great shaking with the Heavenly Fathers and the earth, vision the earth with the earthquakes. And that's what we're seeing on a daily basis. And this is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 29 and verse 6. It says, thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake. Right, that's the key word, earthquake. And great noise and storms and tempests and the flames of burning fire. It's the book of Matthews 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, so we're going to see every day increasing uptick of earthquakes in various places and earthquakes in diverse places. And this was a prime example right here. It says a 7.4 magnitude earthquake strikes off the shores from southern Philippines and may cause tsunami. So with that, hopefully this news article was edifying from the abc.news.go as of October the 9th, 2025 at 10:10 p.m. by the Associated Press. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Makar Kadash, Barakatham, to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Akwaf. Until next time, I would say Shalom.